Hi there, I have some good news for you. I will be conducting the workshop for company secretary students on how to score 60 plus in law subjects. It may be any law subject because as a student of company secretary course, you are studying multiple law subjects and there is a certain formula how you can do well in the law subjects and not only do well but score 60 plus, and you can achieve that in this workshop. And I will be taking this workshop in Chennai and Bangalore. This is going to be a workshop and not just a seminar or a lecture, because we will be working with you and also making you solve some papers so that you will know how to approach the law subjects. So what will be covered in this workshop? The first thing you should understand is that the company secretary course has got a little more challenging, and the main difference between passing and failing is understanding how to approach law subjects. That is why in this workshop I will be telling you not only how you approach but how you can score 60 plus. There are multiple methods, multiple scientific things, multiple research that we have done, and this is the formula which we have come up where students are getting 60 plus in the law subjects, and it is definitely possible. If you attend this workshop, 100% if you follow all the things which is told in the workshop, you will definitely get 60 plus in the subjects. Apart from this, the big question is what is in the mind of the person correcting the paper, the examiner. So in this workshop, we will be covering what is the expectation of the examiner, how the examiner corrects the paper, and I have talked to many examiners so I can give you my inputs about what is in their mind and what are they thinking when correcting the papers. Apart from this, we should also know what is the expectation of ICSI. Yes, examiner corrects the paper, but ICSI has something in mind when they have set the paper. What are they expecting from the company secretary student? You may be foundation, executive or professional student. So in this workshop, you'll get all the secrets about what ICSI is trying to expect from you and how you should approach the papers. Not only will I be giving you all the tips and tricks and the different methods and the systems which you can adopt, but I will be practically solving a law paper with you, with your help, and we will be learning how we can do well in the law papers. This will be a one-day workshop and we will have enough time to cover, apart from how to do well in the papers, how you should prepare, how you should study, how you should make a timetable, what are the problems you have, any questions you have you can ask, and we will be taking many case studies on how you should approach your studies and how you can prepare very well. I will also be sharing many of my own stories and stories of my students, how they overcame very difficult times to do well in the CS exam. And definitely one portion is very interesting where I have researched and made all the career opportunities of company secretary course. So there is a huge number of opportunities, and all those opportunities will be covered to make sure to make you understand that what is the beautiful and great profession which you are getting into. Now that you know that what is covered in the workshop, who can attend this? This workshop is useful for company secretary, executive, professional or foundation students. When is this workshop being held? It will be on May 4th in Bangalore and May 5th in Chennai. Both is a single day workshop, one day in Bangalore on Saturday May 4th and one day in Chennai Sunday May 5th. In Bangalore, the workshop will be in Vijayanagar, Bangalore. We will give the details shortly, and in Chennai it will be in Anna Nagar, Chennai. The address is in the description box below. Now you may be thinking, already we have made so many videos and there is already so much resources available. What will happen if I attend one day workshop? But if I tell my own experience, I have attended 2 such workshops when I was a student, and remember, this is not a crash course, it is a workshop. And what I experienced is that one was for tax laws, another one was for our law subjects. In both the teachers, they did the workshop so beautifully that in one day, my entire perspective about these subjects changed, and not only that, I did very well in the exam. Taking my own experience, I thought it is time to give you the benefit and have this one day workshop. You may think in one day what will happen, but because we are meeting in person, face to face, there is a lot of things that can be achieved even in one day workshop. Now that you know what will be covered and where is the workshop, please don't miss this opportunity. This is going to really change your life, and this will make sure that you become a company secretary very soon. Now, how do you register for this workshop? First thing is that because of the place, we have limited seats. So please do register quickly, and you can register by filling the Google form in the link in the description below. And in this Google form, you can give your basic details and we will call you back and tell all the other things for registration. The last thing which I would like to say is that whoever has followed all the tips and tricks and systems and procedures which I have done in this workshop has completed CS and scored above 60. Now it is your turn to do well in the exam and score above 60 marks and become a wonderful company secretary. So don't miss this opportunity. Click the Google form, fill in your details. I will see you in Bangalore. I will see you in Chennai.